So and the quality is something I can't really stop talking about it. So how beautiful this, what happened to my eyes, it's watering. Best part, it comes with this box with this lid right here. You keep it aside like this, you are good to go on your vanity. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Prakriti. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today's video is all about the Amazon finds that I did this time. These are all related to the beauty essentials and also something related to health stuff. So I really love purchasing from Amazon. This type of purchases are mainly based on the things I recommended by someone, and I'm purchasing it also based on my requirements of storing stuffs and to everything related to makeups and beauty essentials, as I have said. So I require to organize my whole life. So in that case, Amazon finds are just really great. So this is a part one of Amazon finds, and I will soon come with the part two as well. So without any further delay now, we will quickly jump into the video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time, and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. So I make videos related to beauty, makeup, lifestyles and fashion on this channel. So if you guys are interested and if you want to support me, please consider subscribing to my channel. I hope you will have a really great time here with me. So without any further delay now, let's quickly jump into the video. Basically, these are all the stuff that I gotta show you in today's video. So this is a very big dabba right here, starting with this one first because I have some interesting products in it. Starting with the first thing first, I have this beauty sponge right here going on. This is a beauty blender, so you can tell, and this is how it looks like. I honestly love it. I tell you why I do that. You can see this comes in a package of 4. At the same time, it got this beautiful box right here, which almost like save my day. I tell you how it does, because every time I put my blenders in the the cases in this kind of like what to say, in the tray or dishes right there, it gets all the dirts and everything gets accumulated on these sponges, and all the time I have to wash it every single time while I use. Makeup is something that I use off camera also, so it's quite hassle to just wash so many times. Even if I just wash a day before, so it gets really troublesome. So in that case, this box, this becomes really handy while traveling. तुम जब travel कर रहे हो, इसको bag में डाल दो without thinking कि इसमें क्या दाग लग जाएगा या फिर the dirts that the bag has and the contamination it gets. Most of the times, here lies all the contaminations that you need to protect yourself from. So in that case, this box and overall how the sponges are is something a blessing to me. I got like hands on this 4, and these blenders are so good. I just can't tell you. Let me show it to you now. This is one of the blenders that I use so many times, and ये बिल्कुल भी dirt catch नहीं करता. I mean, ये बिल्कुल भी प्रोडक्ट को कैच ऑन नहीं करता है. Like there are certain beauty blenders I use जो कि after using with the product it catch on, even after washing it does not remove. Like if I apply a foundation on my face and do it, blend it with the beauty blender, it will catch all the foundation, and even after wash that will won't go. So you can wash this and it will just be clean as it is. Super clean. I used it so many times by now, and ये बिल्कुल भी गंदा नहीं लगता. The main point is that ये बिल्कुल भी गंदा नहीं होता है. It doesn't pick up the the extra product. Yeah, it does take the extra product of the foundation while you are doing makeup, but at the same time when you wash it, it just vanishes, and this is how clean it looks. I have used it for 3-4 times now. After washing, this is the result. So it's just new as it was how it came before. So, and I keep this inside this one. So this is quite not sturdy, but having said the price point of it, I think it's quite beautiful, and sponge's quality is very nice. Let me show it to you. This is the one. Again, another different size and shapes mein aata hai. This is the flat one. Now moving to this pink one. I'm very scared to open this, but yeah, this is how it look like. The quality is very nice. Please give it a try and you will bless yourself with the best sponges on your vanity. You just keep it and it's very good to go. No contamination, nothing. While you will be using it, just damp it in water, and once you damp it with water, it gets bigger in size. See, all the things I can easily pick up from here, but this one is like the exact size. This one also I can get easily, but this one is something, it got bigger in size, so that proves how beautiful the sponges are and how retention capacity it got. So I love this one. Like, it's a complete 5 on 5 and no doubt, and so please get hands on this. Okay, so moving to the next one, I am going with the small boxes right now. So while talking about the blenders I got from Amazon, this is the next thing I should show you first than the others. So this is again a very beautiful, you see how beautiful it is. It is again a blush brush basically. Got this one to apply my blush right there on my cheeks. So I have washed it, don't worry, I have used it, I'm telling you. So this is a very handy and very beautiful blush brush. Having said that, iska jo grip hai is very sturdy and this is very chotu sa ho jata hai, and again the fanning portion of it, the brushing portion of it is so fluffy, so soft to your skin. Just I can't tell you. Even the blush I sprayed on my, cheeks right now, it's done by this one, this chotu sa brush right here. It comes very handy too. Okay, so agar tum travel kar rahe ho, us time you keep it on your purse and it is just good to go. It's so cute and how beautiful looking it is. Having said that, the price point is amazing. So this is the second thing that I got from Myntra Finds, and I love it. You know, after finishing my whole face, I just want to make a set with this brush right here and you are good to go. Like how beautiful and soft the effect is. I just love this brush and I highly recommend you should have at least one of these brushes, because blush is one such thing I know we all use there, right? So this brush is like multitask ke liye bhi ho jata hai. So you can really consider, if you are buying a single brush, if you want to do not waste much money on the brushes, so this brush you can consider buying and you will thank yourself. So yeah, moving to the next one from here right now. Okay, these are the hair clips, like basically while doing makeup. Let me show you. Okay, so these are the hair clips basically that I got to get rid of all my baby hairs while doing my makeup that comes on my face and just disrupt my whole makeup thing going on right there. So these are really handy for that case and makeup karne ke time, if you want to really clean your face and get all the hairs rid of from your face coming all along. So these clips you can really consider. So I actually bought it in like set of 2. इसमें 6 रहता है, 3 each, and मैंने जब choose किया था Amazon पे, तो I choose color wise, like it was double of everything, but it came totally 6 different colors. I am not sure that how much I like it, but having said that, कि अगर ये handy हो जाता है, like if it's really work and I doesn't really care about the colors as long as it's working really well, so I guess it will do the job. So yeah, I don't want to mess my hair anymore, but these are really sturdy hair clips that I can save to you all. And so these are the next purchases I did. This is again another like purchase which is like 100 and something. It is very affordable. So yeah, the next purchase are the hair clips that I considered as a beauty essentials and I got hands on them as well. So this is the third thing that I got. So moving to the next big baby right here, this is something related to beauty essentials that I can tell you all, and this time I needed it because I'm again practicing my, I'm again going back to the workouts and the fitness era. As I am home now, I can get some time to really work out and really consider taking care of my fitness. That is something you should all do irrespective where you are. So keeping that in mind, I got this beautiful glass bottle right here. So we all know by now that plastic bottles are really harmful over the time. When we drink water from that, the microplastic generates and everything that is really harmful. And in general, plastic is very harmful for our environment. So in that case, I considered buying this glass bottle. I'm not like my schedule is not like very busy going outside every time, so मैं घर पे रहती हूँ, तो in that case I can really consider this having a glass bottle, and I don't mind कि I don't think it will break up as well because this is a very sturdy one. Even if it doesn't slip out of my hand, वो अलग बात हो जाता है. But having said that, I think a glass bottle is something really you all need. If you are not traveling that much, then you can consider really buying. And if you are really careful and if you are really not clumsy like me, then you can carry a glass bottle as well with you. This is not that heavy. Having said that, इसका जो build material is very very good. And I tell you, I think this one is from the brand called Borosil या फिर Cello, either of the two I got hands from. So yeah, this is how the bottle look like. It's very sleek and इसका जो designing है, it doesn't leak. Okay, it doesn't leak, and this is how it look like. मैंने इसको टेस्ट करके देखा है, then I'm telling you. It's a very 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 sturdy bottle and I just love it. Soon you will be seeing me using all this health wala stuffs in my videos, in my upcoming vlogs as well, because I will put the workout and I will put the, you know, what are my diet wala videos soon. So stay tuned. And this is the next purchase I did from Amazon and I totally love it. This is quite pricey and not like the 200 things up till now I was showing. This is maybe 300 to 400 ish, quite cheap as well. I'm telling you there, because market पे ये bottles सारे बहुत ही ज़्यादा pricey हो जाता है. So this is the next purchase I did and I'm super happy to start my new journey. Moving to the next item next. This is one such I've been seeing all over the internet and I needed it so badly that I can't tell you all. My baby hairs bothers me, okay? I know everyone right there, but my one is all over the place. I just can't tell you now. This is the anti-fly away hair one. What it does, it चिपका देता है all the baby hairs you have and doesn't allow it to fly away. The company name is Slick Up and let me show you how it looks like. So the packaging is very very beautiful. It looks something like this and it's very very travel friendly, that I love the most. And this is how it works. Okay, ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा चिपका दिया. See, you can see this side, it's like complete plain thing. I love it. I love using this once and I have tried this for some couple of my videos and it proved really great. And this is how it works. It really works for me. I don't know about other skin type and hair texture how it will go, but as per I have tried, it does amazing job. Okay, you need to consider if you suffer from this baby hair wala problem or hairs होता है ना, like that looks very untidy after tying a ponytail or, you know, sleek bun right there. You can just consider taking this one. You can consider make it fix right there, so it becomes very handy for that case. You know, if your hairs are fine, your total look get elevated, so you can consider this buying. And having said that, this works. So yeah, we all deserve flawless hair. You can definitely consider this buying. I just love it. Moving to the last one of this haul, this is a jewelry organizer right there. Then this is from the brand called Ubella and this is something that saved my life in so many different ways I can't tell you. Often major videos बनाते रहती हूँ and I often forget where to keep my jewelry. मैं ऐसे this vanity में डाल देती हूँ and always I forget that I have this thing. Suddenly when I organize my stuff, I remember, okay, I had this one and I bought it again. So in that case, if you don't want to be like myself and if you want a little bit more organized person, you can definitely consider this jewelry box wala thing buying. And this is so good. I did open it before as well to check whether this works or not and definitely works for me. Having said that, मैंने सोचा ये थोड़ा सा और बड़ा होगा. This is very small, but at the same time it's travel friendly as well because of the size. So let me show you from inside. This is how it looked like and the color of this one is so pretty. So this is how it looked like. I can store all my, you know, rings right here, the earrings right here. Also these divisions, this portion you can see, you can just open it. Okay, you can. So these are the division and this is how it comes with. You can obviously do changes. तुम सब निकाल दो and make it like a total big box right there. You can really do it like जो organizer हो जाता है, that you can travel with. Also you can keep it in your vanity, that will just elevate your vanity. And yeah, it's so organized and इसका जो chain like this, you zip up it and you are good to go and keep it in your purse. Travel the world, baby. So yeah, Okay, so that was pretty much of all that I got from Amazon. These are all were my Amazon finds for this time, and I loved how it turned out. It will make my life much more easier than it was before. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna make part 2 and endless part of this one because I need, okay? So if you guys wanna see this kind of videos on my channel, also comment down below what are the things you want to see from my side. I'll be really happy to share with you all. So that's it for this video. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Mwah. Bye.